Been a few hours, but it felt like days.
Sanbonani Dumelang, hello. My name is Malwande. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a returning Sabi. If you would like to become a Sabi too, all you need to do is click on the red subscribe button below. Now, as you can see, my hair is shorter, and in this video, I will be giving you guys a detailed hair update while I do this protective style for the week. This method of style is called flat twist. I love it because it takes less time than cornrows, and it is perfect for when you know that you will be having a busy week where you just need your hair to be out of your face, out of your way, and just extremely low maintenance as can be. So, I cut my hair, right? In case you missed the previous video where I briefly touched on this topic, I will touch on it again here and in much more detail. After I took down my braids, I had a look at my hair and I realized that I think it was time for me to let go of the color treated ends. They were very tangled and had sustained further damage, as I already knew that part of my hair was damaged. I just wanted the new growth to continue growing so that I don't have to deal with extremely short hair that I cannot style. So after I finished taking down my braids, I did not know I was going to decide to do it on that day. It was kind of a spontaneous and intuitive decision. I looked at my hair in the mirror and I decided, you know what? I'm tired of this. I took my hair shears and I got to it. Then I got a bit scissor happy because I did cut a bit more than I thought I would. Once I was done with that and I had moisturized and plaited my hair for the week, I then 2 days later looked at my hair again and realized I still had some of the color treated ends there, and so I went back in to do what? To chop my hair again. Do you know that feeling? Let me know in the comments below, where you do something that you're scared of, and then when you realize that you've done it and you did not die, you did not even cry about it, you decide, actually, let's go and do it even more. So that's what happened to me in this instance. And you know what? I have no regrets. Yes, I'm back to virgin hair. This is full virgin hair, unprocessed, undyed, untreated, nothing, as pure as can be. It is black, which is hard for me to accept because for 3 to 4 years, I have had color treated hair, and that to me was just so much fun. But now I want to put myself on this journey where I want to not treat my hair with any kind of chemicals. I want to try push myself to just grow healthy virgin hair. This also means that I will do my best to not apply any heat to my hair, as in not blowed out with heat. I do use heat when I do deep treatments, but it's indirect heat because I use it through a hooded dryer and not directly on my hair. I always have a plastic bag or a plastic cap that I have on, so it is indirect. That is the only instance where I'll allow myself to use heat. Anyway, I am now on the last flat twist. If you guys would like a flat twisting tutorial, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to do that to help you learn how to flat twist. This method is absolutely easier and quicker than cornrowing, and I do think it's perfect for anyone who doesn't know how to cornrow but still wants the convenience of doing their own hair. And like I said in the thumbnail, you don't owe anyone straight lines, okay? You don't even owe yourself straight lines. The purpose of the style is to just look cute and have a low maintenance style while you have a busy week, while you go about your life and only have to worry about scalp health. Also, leaving your hair alone or manipulating it less is the recipe for hair growth. It is one of the biggest parts of hair growth. This is the finished result, and if you had made it this far, drop me a comment below. Let me know if you know how to flat twist. Do you like flat twisting? Should I teach you how to flat twist? And have you made any big changes to your hair routine? Will you be joining me on this journey? Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Got you.